Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the setting you have to go under if you want to pair your hearing aids to your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. And now you want to go down underneath the accessibility tile and select that. And then scroll down again. Underneath audio, select hearing devices. You can select the pair new device option here, and then your device will begin searching for that Bluetooth enabled hearing aid. Make sure that hearing aid is powered up. Make sure that it does have batteries in it. And if you also want to additionally enable a hearing device shortcut on your main page, you can toggle that on or off right here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.